As a beginner, one of the major challenges you're going to face when making cookies for the first time is your dough. Your dough will scatter and you will struggle. And you'll be wondering, where am I getting it wrong? I'm going to be telling you four secrets that when you master, you will make the perfect cookie recipe every time. Number one is know the cookie rule. Now, I didn't know cookies had a rule. I just felt you can add any amount of butter and flour. And of course, you're going to get the perfect cookie. I'm sure you were thinking like me, but no, there is a rule. And the rule is 1:2:3. How do I mean? You are like, which one is 1:2:3? Yes, whereby your sugar is 1, your butter is 2, and your flour is 3. So you can use either your normal white sugar or you can use icing sugar for your cookie recipe. Now, if your sugar, for example, is 50 gram, it means your butter will be 50 gram times 2, making 100 gram, and your flour will be 50 gram times 3, making 150 grams. So that is how you combine your ingredients. The second thing you need to take note is use butter instead of margarine. See, I've noticed that margarine can stress you. I have made cookies using butter and using margarine. And anytime I use margarine, I don't know, I just tend to struggle. You know, margarine is made mostly from vegetable oil. This is how your cookie dough will just scatter when you want to roll. It is so annoying. You will struggle to get your cookie dough together. You can't even get it in one piece, and talk more of even cutting out your cookies. But when you use butter, you can see how easy it is for all your cookies or for your cookie dough to come together, and cutting out your cookies is a breeze. You will not even stress yourself, and you'll be wondering, same quantity of ingredients but different experience. Why? Because you use butter instead of margarine. Another thing is make sure you put your dough in the fridge before rolling. Now, the truth is that because of the amount of butter you are using to make your cookies, your cookie dough is definitely fragile. Putting it in the fridge will make it easy for you to work with your dough without having your cookie dough scattering or disintegrating. It just makes it easy for you to work with your cookies. So please remember to keep your dough in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Allow your cookies to cook completely after baking before storing. See, the cookie dough is fragile, and even after baking for like 15 to 20 minutes, your cookies will also come out being fragile. But if you can allow it to cook completely, it becomes hard and firm, and of course crunchy. That's type of consistency or texture you've always wanted. Debbie's Kitchen just hit 20,000 subscribers, and I am so excited. And because of this, I am giving my meat pie masterclass for just $10 from the 1st of July to the 31st of July. So if you have been wanting to learn the perfect Nigerian meat pies, this is the time for you to register. This is the time for you to register. You have access to all my ingredients and measurement guide, and of course all our videos for life for just $10. Click the link and register before the end of 31st of July. Thank you for your love and support. God bless you.